All right, hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. So we have this gorgeous 2021 G63. So the client brought it in for a couple things. One is he wanted a dash cam with a tracker. So we did the Drone XE. That allows him to obviously track the vehicle, but also it allows him to remote in. So like a Ring doorbell or a Nest camera, he can watch the footage whenever he wants from an application on his phone. It makes it super, super simple. The other thing that it's in for is the vehicle, two things. It has Apple CarPlay, but it's not wireless, number one, and the screen is not touchscreen. So it just makes it a little difficult to use the CarPlay. So we sourced some parts, and it is a new touchscreen overlay with an adapter box that allows you to control Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on the screen, touchscreen. And it's my favorite color, right? Now, slightly off favorite color, but it's still my favorite color, right? It's blue. It's got all the blue accents. I mean, just check out this interior. Carbon fiber, all the metal work. I mean, just carbon fiber steering wheel, just absolutely gorgeous. The truck is an amazing truck, has Apple CarPlay, but has no wireless ability, number one, and has no touchscreen function. So this monitor, you have to technically control it from the jog dials here. The client saw this module online. We reached out to them, and they were super responsive. They sent us a bunch of links, a bunch of videos, a bunch of how-tos, and just really great experience. So we ended up ordering it, and what it is a complete touch panel. So what it does is it overlays over the original screen. There's a capacitive touch pane of glass that goes over. So we have to remove all the trim, remove the screen, add the glass, and then run the wire. There's a box, it's called an Air Touch. And then that box pairs to this CarLink kit. So what that does is it causes the Apple CarPlay to be wireless. The touch glass that we put in front of the screen pairs to the box. So now it allows you to control Apple CarPlay or Android Auto via touch. We'll show you that right now. So you can swipe the way you normally would, right? You pick maps, it'll come up. Your music, your phone calls, your texts, everything is now controlled via touchscreen. It's actually a really cool piece of technology, because there's a lot of vehicles, a lot of Mercedes in particular, where one, they're not wireless, and two, they're not touchscreen. So this allows us to retrofit that, and basically 2025 and your 2026 are now wireless. But if you own any one before that, you're out of luck unless you add something like this. And then also, if you want the touchscreen ability, you have to add on the pane of glass. Now people say, oh, well, is that gonna mess up the car? No, because if most modern cars, it's a screen and there's a capacitive touch lens over the front of it. That's how you're able to make it a touch screen. We're just doing it after the fact. So the best way you can imagine it is, it's in essence the same thing that would have come with a brand new truck, except retrofitted to this vehicle. So, and we added the Drone XE dash cam, so that allows him to track the vehicle as well as monitor it. Reach out to us at 773-489-7469. Thanks a lot for watching.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.